Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful weekend. Sun is setting right now. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin right now is pulling back. It's not showing a lot of strength actually. I don't think it's going to drop too much though, because of my opinion that it was at 17k, everyone started buying again. All the panic sellers sold out. People are starting to accumulate here, so I think they've got buy orders heading down. So there's a lot of support for Bitcoin. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, see what it says, Ethereum, and the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, and don't forget, there's a lot of fake scammer accounts of me. I'm going to show you that later on in the video. Messaging people, talking to them, recording voice messages, calling them. Hundreds of these fake accounts are going on all the time, and my team tries to delete them, but they never stop, and they keep creating more. It's like a massive group of people. I will never ask you to send me Bitcoin. I will never ask you to send me money. I will not talk to you in private messages on Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, none of those. They're all fake accounts, and I'm going to show you that later on. Be careful out there. Don't ever give anyone access to your computer. Don't send anyone Bitcoin. Don't ever give anyone your private keys. Be very careful. Don't go to any websites. Don't sign up to anything with any of your emails that you use for exchange. Always use two-factor authentication on all your exchanges. Make sure you have a secure email. Just be very safe out there, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And right now, Bitcoin is having a bit of a pullback today, and it's pulling down quite strongly. Look, the last 4 days, we kind of had a peak at 24,000, a drop down to 22,000, a peak to 23,000, and then now we're dropping right now quite strongly with little volume. We're at 22,244. Now, it's not so worrying at the moment, but if we break below 21,500, this is danger zone. We can't break below that. If we break below 21,500, I will close all spot and Bitcoin positions with a target of 20,000. And if that plays out, if 20,000 plays out, that would be very bad. Why? Because this giant bear flag will be in effect. This bear flag, if that breaks, then 12k is actually possible for Bitcoin. But at the moment, I'm still bullish above 21,500. But we do need to, and we're still making a bullish pennant. We have a pole and a pennant here to break to the upside, 26k. So we just need to get back above, but we're still okay. But at the moment, the pennant is breaking to the downside. On the daily, stochastic is also overbought, heading down. RSI is turning down as well. Squeeze mob is going to the red side. So at the moment, it doesn't look good for Bitcoin here. It should have broken out, but it's just failing at the moment. On the 4-hourly, RSI is heading down strongly. Squeeze mob is going towards the red, and stochastic is also very oversold now on the 4-hourly. Now, we really need to hold 21,500 and get a bounce here. We need to claim, we lost two key areas here. We lost this trend line, this channel. We're back inside this bearish flag channel. We lost that $23,000 line, and we lost the 200 weekly moving average line, this blue line here. Bitcoin is now beneath both that blue line, the 200 weekly moving average, and that back inside this channel. So it's not good. If we don't get a strong bounce very soon and hold 21,500 to get up, this is very dangerous. Then we're going down to 19k. As soon as we break this line, I will close positions, because if that plays out, we can be playing out this bear flag and breaking to the downside. But on the 4-hourly, we're oversold. On the hourly, we're oversold. On the 15 minutes, we're oversold. So we need to have a big bounce. It's very important. But at the moment, we did break this symmetrical triangle to the downside. And if that doesn't get back inside this pennant, then this bullish pennant is broken. So we need to get back into it right now. It's very important that Bitcoin has a strong recovery here. Again, the time I will go short and close my positions if we break below 21,500. So it is very important right now. Let's go. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video down below, you can sign up to Bybit using, in the description of this video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. If you use this link, you can trade Bitcoin, long, short, spot positions. You can buy altcoins, trade altcoins using Bybit. You sign up using this link, you get a $4,450 sign up bonus of US dollars. You need to deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin or USD to get that full bonus. But you go down below, everyone, and in the description, click on that link. Right now, do it. Go down below, click on this link, and sign up. Once you sign up using this link, it will then open this trading software. In here, I have $428,000. So big drop since the last 2 days. Yesterday was 444,000. So that's almost a $16,000 drop since yesterday. So right now Bitcoin is pulling back. I've got Bitcoin 6.7 Bitcoin in here. I've got 136,000 USDC. I've got $91,000 of Solana and 6,000 of USDT. My Bitcoin trade is still massively in the profits, 120% in the profits, $7,218 in the profits, but it is pulling back quite strongly right now. This is a $53,000 Bitcoin long. We really need to see Bitcoin have a strong recovery here. If it keeps dropping, there's going to be a lot of panic at 21,500. So right now we need to see a big bounce on Bitcoin. But if it doesn't, so the time to go short is if it breaks below here, 21,500, you can short to 19,000. And if that doesn't bounce, then 12K is in play. Or you can long, if we get a strong bounce of 21,500, you can go long. So I'd wait to go long on Bitcoin till after it comes down here. My long just below that weekly support and the take profit back up at the 26K to try and catch this long, but with a very tight stop loss. That will give us a 5 ratio trade, risking $966 to make $4,800 of profits without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's almost $48,000 of profits. That's the long that I would take on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to check out Ethereum as well. So let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum holding up strong. The altcoins aren't dropping with Bitcoin that much. On the daily, Ethereum is very also overbought on the stochastic. It's also making a bull flag, and so is Bitcoin actually. They both have bull flags at the moment, or bullish pennants. So right now, it's not so bad for Ethereum. If you want to open a long on Ethereum, I would wait till this support here. Stop loss also below the weekly. Take profit up here. That would give you a 4.2 ratio trade. So for every $1,000 you risk, you can make $4,280 profit. This is the trade I would open on Ethereum. Waiting till it hits 1,471 to open. This trade will be the one that I would take. Stop loss below that's support at 1,317 and take profit at 22,132. That's the long that I would take on Ethereum after it comes down. So let's go back into Bitcoin and let's check out the total market cap of all cryptos. And Ethereum is oversold on the daily. Check out this, there's a boat behind me. Going into the sunset. Beautiful. Look at that sunset. Amazing, right? Let's go back in. So now we'll look. It's coming down on the 4 hourly, more to drop, but it's actually Ethereum holding very well here on this Bitcoin pullback, which is interesting. Very well holding. On the daily, stochastic is still overbought, much more to drop. On hourly, very oversold, but Ethereum holding up. The altcoins holding up. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptos, and then go back into Bitcoin. So let's look at total market cap, all cryptocurrencies. We're back under 1 trillion. So this was quite a big pullback today. We still broke out of this giant ascending triangle here, this one here. So we still have this breakout of this big ascending triangle, but we are overbought on the daily. On the 4 hourly, we're oversold, but we do have this big ascending triangle that already broke out. So we should be moving to the base of the triangle that will take us to 1.17 trillion. But right now we are having a pullback. We did have a double top and a higher low. So the big support for all crypto, if we break here, then we're going to 964 billion. So we could lose another 30 billion from the market. So right now it's very important that Bitcoin actually manages to hold here. It needs to hold and bounce back. If we break 21,500, there will be panic in the markets. But I wouldn't be, right now, I don't think there's going to be much selling pressure. But if it does break down here, it would have trapped a lot of people with this breakout and then this retest and then breaking the 200 weekly moving average, breaking this channel and playing out in the bear flag. Let's see if it trapped a lot of people here. 21,500 is where I will close longs, but I'll monitor it closely and I'll make updated videos. Again, if you want to trade, in the description of this video, using this link down below, signing up to Bybit, $4,450 sign up bonus. Thank you for watching, everyone. Dangerous moment for Bitcoin, but on the weekends, usually there is a pullback. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold here. Let me know in the comment section, do you think Bitcoin will hold? Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash that thumbs up button. Have an amazing weekend. I'll keep you updated. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.